I've said it before, I come from a family of seafaring folks. My family's always been around water, and I've always talked about how I enjoy it. Okay, wait a minute. He's not a member of the family. But I've talked about how I enjoy water myself, and my family has enjoyed it too. This is a picture of us after we had one of our snorkeling trips over to Isla Grande when I was stationed in Panama back in the 80s. And yeah, it was before the twins were even born. So you can imagine the thrill when I found out there was more to do at Clementine's Beach than just lay out and get a sunburn or listen to the boats going back and forth to the Magic Kingdom. Yeah, we decided we'd stop in at the Fort Marina and rent a boat. And we had a blast, but more on that in a couple of minutes. And this is the boat we rented, a Sun Tracker 22-foot Party Barge. First stop was the office to drop off our driver's license. Both of us were going to be driving the boat, so both of us needed to show our ID there. You head on over to the dock to pick up your life jackets. You need one for each person on board, and if you're under 18, you gotta wear it the whole time you're out there. From there, you just go down to the dock slip and wait for the cast member to escort you down to the boats. There, they're gonna give you a familiarization with the boat, give you a safety briefing, and most importantly, show you where you can and cannot take the boat while you're out. Now, the Sun Tracker Party Barge seats up to 10 guests. And it is a perfect choice for larger parties. Drivers have to be at least 18 years of age, and there is a maximum weight limit of 1,900 pounds. Now, you'll be entering in the side door, and apparently it's wide enough that they offered for me to take my wheelchair along if I wanted to. The controls are fairly simple. They only take a minute to learn, and there is another copy of the map with the go and no-go areas of Bay Lake and the Seven Seas Lagoon clearly marked on it. Now, for all you speed demons out there, don't expect to be throwing up any rooster tails anytime soon. It's only got a 9.9 horsepower Mercury motor on it. But it's enough speed to get you around the lakes, and you never know who you're going to run into out there. I guess the morning rush at the Magic Kingdom was over, and they were parking the Richard F. Irving for the rest of the day. This is something you're only going to see from a boat. And then with Jean at the helm, for her first time driving a boat, she did pretty darn good. Well, we're headed over to the Seven Seas Lagoon across the water bridge by the Contemporary. You know, there are some things that just seem way different when you see them from a different perspective. Like the traffic on World Drive going underneath of you in a boat. Or watching the monorail arrive at the Magic Kingdom. Now, I don't know whether you noticed it or not, but the Seven Seas Lagoon is way smaller than Bay Lake, and there's a lot more no-go areas around the resorts here, especially around the Magic Kingdom. But with the wedding coming up, we had to go check out one area in particular. That's right, we stopped over to see Disney's Wedding Pavilion. Gee, I hope there wasn't a wedding going on then. Well, if there was, sorry guys, and congratulations! Check out my YouTube channel for the video! Okay, we're out of here. And we did make a quick swing by the bungalows where we may or may not have taken some video of Dick Nunes' wave machine. You'll need to keep checking back for maybe another video on that in Abandoned Disney. But you know, just like I remember it, everybody's friendlier when you're out on a boat. there's also the possibility that I might have gotten some video of Discovery Island and some video also of the abandoned river country area that might be showing up in abandoned videos, you know, that'll be coming out later on the channel. I mean, who can say? All I know is the hour was up way too soon. I wasn't ready to go back, but I guess we had to. Okay, now for the rough stuff. It's $45 for a half hour to rent the boat. We rented it for an hour, but we did get a 15% discount for being annual pass holders. Boats are rented on a first-come, first-served basis, and somebody's got to be 18 to drive it and to rent it. Now, when they bring you back into the slip, they bring you straight in, and they have you go out the bow door instead of the port door. So I'm not real sure how this would work with a wheelchair, because that bow door is way smaller than the other door. Well, will we be going back?
I have no doubt of that.
Well, I guess that sums that up. Yeah, we'll be going back. I'll give it 2 thumbs up. I definitely recommend it. We had a blast, and we're going to do it again soon. Emmy's at home dreaming of your likes and comments. And if you do like the videos, why don't you go ahead and subscribe. And while subscribing, go ahead and click that bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.